Okay guys, in this section I will explain about how you can enlarge text on the Snapchat. This is easy way you can do. So, of course, open your Snapchat and then go to the message. After doing this, for this time I will try message this AI. So, you can type anything you like. For example, in here I will say hi. Click on here and then hold a second, then drag. So this is the way how you can enlarge text on Snapchat. To send this message, just release, okay? And then release. So the message is sent. Thanks for watching this video. Make sure you subscribe, like, and leave the comment on this video. Thank you.